Hello friends and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making an easy 3-ingredient peach cobbler. So as you can see with this, mostly all you're going to need is a box of cake mix, which is yellow. You're going to use a 29-ounce can of peaches, and then you're going to use at least a half a cup of butter, which we're going to melt later to use in the recipe. This is all you're really going to need for this. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees because this will be in there for about 45 to 50 minutes. And then we're going to take our baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray because we don't want this sticking to the edges or bottom. And then once you get that done, you're going to dump over half of your cake mix into the bottom of this pan. Now once you get this in, you're going to bring in your can of peaches and you're going to pour in all the syrup, all the peaches, everything at one time. So go ahead and dump the entire can on top of the cake mix. And once you have it in there, take a spatula and mix it up a little bit to where some of the cake mix is actually incorporating into the juice from the peaches. That way you kind of have it where this is more liquidy at the bottom. Now go ahead and scrape the sides of the edges of your pan that you're going to put in the oven to make sure that you've gotten a lot of the cake mix that might be bunched up on the sides all the way into the moisture. And then we're going to take the rest of the cake mix and pour it on top of this. And you want to try and do it kind of evenly so that way we can spread this out. We don't want a whole lot in one place and not enough in others. And once you've gotten this out completely, then you're going to take a spatula and kind of move it around a little bit to make sure it's an even layer. So just go back and forth with your spatula, making sure that you get this completely covering the top. And in the meantime, we are going to melt our butter. So just put it in the microwave for a few seconds, and then we're going to bring it over and pour it on top. So that way it covers the cake mix you just put in there. Now you do have an option at this point if you want to add something like some sugar or some cinnamon on top. I do this, you do not have to, it's your choice. But if you're going to do it, I use at least a tablespoon of sugar and maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar or a little more. And then put that all over top of it. And then after you're done with this, it's ready to go into the oven. And like I said, it's going to be 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes. And when it comes out, it looks something like this. This is amazingly easy. It's a quick dessert and really takes no time to put together. The longest time is just in the oven. If you like this video or other ones I did, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to read my cookbook, it's available on Amazon and in bookstores worldwide. Have a great day.